In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror image in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, mirrored version of any image while keeping your original intact, which is great for symmetrical layouts, reflections, and quick design variations. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Give it a moment to load and make sure your document is open with the image you want to work with visible on the canvas. If you prefer precision when selecting, switch to the Move tool so the selection handles appear clearly around your image. That way, you'll know exactly what's selected. Next, click directly on the image to select it. You should see a bounding box appear with corner and side handles. If you see multiple items on your canvas, confirm you've got the image layer highlighted, not a background or shape. The selection outline is your visual confirmation that you're ready for the next step. Now duplicate the image. Duplicating is a simple but important step because it keeps your original safe and untouched. You can use the keyboard shortcut Command or Control+J, or choose Duplicate from the Edit menu, or right-click on the image and select Duplicate. You'll now have two identical copies stacked in the same place. Click on the duplicate image to make sure it's the one that's active. Typically, the duplicated layer is automatically selected and sits above the original, but it's worth confirming. If you glance at the Layers panel, the topmost copy is usually the duplicate. Keeping the duplicate selected ensures only the new copy will be mirrored. Look to the top of the interface and find the transform options. These controls appear in the context toolbar and include size, rotation, and flip tools. If you don't see them, open the transform panel from the studio options so you can access the flip commands easily. Having the transform controls visible makes this quick and precise. Finally, click Flip Horizontal. Instantly, the selected duplicate will mirror across its vertical axis. You'll see the image reverse left to right, while your original remains exactly as it was underneath or behind it. This non-destructive approach lets you compare or adjust without losing your starting point. If you want a perfectly centered reflection, remember that the flip happens in place around the layer's center, so alignment remains predictable. And that's it. You've opened Affinity Designer, selected your image, created a protective duplicate, ensured the duplicate is active, accessed transform at the top, and used flip horizontal to mirror the image cleanly and efficiently.